Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Skills in Progress. Sorry that I didn't make a video last week. This current situation has turned everything upside down for me, and now I'm working from home and I have heaps of stuff to do, but I will not bore you with that. I have to say that today is going to be a short video as well, but it is going to be an important one. With a very small change, I will hopefully improve the quality of my videos. And of course, I'm talking about audio. I've been thinking how I could make the audio quality better, but we'll get to that in a second, right after the intro. Alright, so how am I going to make the audio better? Well, it's quite simple. I will put the microphone closer to myself. Yes, I made a jump cut there, to not blow out your eardrums while fiddling around with the microphone. You're welcome. The whole time I was trying to figure out how to make the audio better without having the mic in the frame, but then I figured why. It's not like the microphone is going to make the frame any better or worse at this point. So, how does it sound? Better, right? What just happened? What? Hey, what the hell is going on? What happened? Oh, hey Matt. Whoa, that was something. You didn't really think I would tell you how to make your audio better by just pulling your mic closer, did you? I will leave that to the audio engineers, and I will just try and make it not sound like complete garbage for my own videos. To be fair, I did pull my mic closer, and if it does sound better than before, you're welcome. It's a free tip. So why did I choose Critical Role for the glitches? Well, quite frankly, I'm a massive fan. I binge watched the first campaign twice already before, and I am currently rewatching the entire second campaign since they don't have any new episodes coming out anytime soon because of this whole situation. And yes, before you ask, I actually do watch 90% of them rather than just listening, because the things that they act out while they're saying them are really immersive, and I am really trying to take something away from that and improve my own videos by learning how to be expressive with my voice and how to be expressive with my body. But now I am gonna go back to the topic, and you are probably asking yourself how I did those cool glitch effects. Well, I won't beat around the bush any longer, so let's just jump into it. Okay, so the first effect I made was the echo effect, which you can find in the effects tab. To do that, I had to duplicate the original Critical Role footage to be able to mask and move the background over Marisha's face so that it doesn't stick out behind me. And I did that simply by rescaling the copy, masking the background, and moving it across her face. I also used a little bit of feathering to make it blend in as much as possible with the background. After that, I dropped my footage on the topmost layer and rescaled it. After that, I did some color matching to the best of my current abilities, drew a mask around myself, and tracked my movement with keyframes. I literally just played around with the echo time and echo number parameters, and I made it look alright, but it didn't turn out anything like I imagined it, so I'll keep playing with the effect in the future and make it look nicer. And maybe even provide an update if I make it look better. The next effect is called VR Digital Glitch. I simply copied the footage and dragged the effect on the upper layer clip, masked out the area I wanted to use for the glitch, and essentially used the parameter POI scale with keyframes. Then I played around with the numbers, made it look decent, and then simply used mask opacity and mask path to change the covered area and when the effect is visible and when not. The next effect is a very simple and self-made ghosting effect. All you have to do is make a copy of the clip, drop the opacity on the copy, make a rough mask around it, copy it one more or however many times you want, and move the copies around with the position parameter and use the opacity to make it pop in or out of existence at will. And the last effect is called color balance RGB, and it is a very simple color shift effect that is very simple to use, and all I did is exactly the same as with the ghosting, except that I didn't drop the opacity, and I only made one copy of the footage and moved it around with keyframes and a mask, and changed the colors as I moved the footage around. The very small touch at the end where the critical role logo glitches is the very same effect, just moved it around, changed the color every frame, and that is about it. And that is how you can build your very own cool looking glitch effects. I demonstrated a few styles of them, and I will most certainly use them myself whenever I need a transition or whenever they do fit the theme. So that's all from me today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, as always, please subscribe, share, comment, like, and all the other good stuff that everybody keeps telling you to do. If you want to watch more videos of mine, there will be a link here somewhere which you can click. And as always, that is all from me today. Keep learning, and until next time.